Lupron Harbor, also known as Puerto Blanco. It's a large enclosed mangrove bay that provides excellent shelter and is considered one of the Caribbean's safest hurricane holes. Its position on the north coast of the Dominican Republic makes it a great place for southbound cruising boats to stop. There is a welcoming vibe from locals and cruisers alike.
Put that harness on, little man. You wanna go do yoga? Huh?
Want to do yoga?
Let's go do yoga.
We're gonna do yoga in Lupron, the world famous free yoga.
You got your yoga clothes on, your yoga pants.
I have my basic bitch yoga pants on. Where's my Starbucks?
Run free, little one. Here's the anchorage in Lupron. Up in there is where we're gonna do the yogas.
Yoga in Lupron is hosted every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at the Old Lupron Marina Yacht Club. Though it's only been a few years since it shut down, it's amazing how quickly nature takes it back.
There's the man.
The view of the harbor is amazing. Lupron is a small rural town. It has markets, a well-stocked hardware store, nightlife, a medical clinic, police, dentists, and even a chiropractor. Thanks to a new delivery service, there's an easy way to receive packages, like Amazon, directly to Lupron. This makes for a great spot to get some boat work done while enjoying scenic motorbike rides and 34-ounce jumbo beers.
Oh, geez. And here's kind of cows. Oh, hey guys. Down the street. Wendy's bar is known as the Cruiser's Bar in town. It's the best beach bar without a beach. Everyone is welcome, including any four-legged friends.
Movie Mondays and karaoke Fridays easily became part of our regular routine. It's the coolest bar in Lupron that serves the coldest beer.
Where we going, baby?
To the marina to go meet the Commandante, Patrick.
The Commandante here in Lupron's invited us to go on a kind of a ride along with him, and he's going to show us around town. This should be fun.
Just before we arrived, Lupron was assigned a new Commandante. The Commandante is the head of the Navy for an assigned area, in this case Lupron Harbor. They control all of the boats moving in and out of the harbor. Patrick offered to take us on a tour of Lupron. He took us to a couple of local beaches and a drive-through town. He taught us some local history and introduced us to a few of his friends. A short drive and only walking distance from the harbor sits Playa Grande on the North Shore. A great place to spend the day and take a swim. Just around the corner along the harbor inlet is Playa Chiquita, a smaller, calmer beach. This is a favorite local spot for weekend cookouts. The authorities get a bad reputation here in Lupron, though that's hard to imagine after spending the day with Patrick. Visit our website for more information on the check-in process here in Lupron and the DR. We are taking a motorcycle up to the 27 waterfalls today. It looks like it's a gorgeous day, and so yeah, we're excited.
What do they call it here?
I don't remember.
Baby.
My Spanish is horrible. ¿Cómo se dice en español, Arturo?
Charcos. 27 charcos.
27 charcos. The 27 waterfalls.
Prices between 500 to 700 pesos, which 500 pesos is like 10 bucks. 700 pesos is like 14 bucks. So not bad, really not expensive at all. You're going to be swimming, jumping, sliding, and climbing until your heart's content. To ensure that you're prepared, bring the following. Bathing suit. Check.
Check.
Closed shoes or Tiva/Chaco sandals. Baby, do you have your Chaco sandals?
I don't wear those.
Do you have your Tivas?
No.
No Tivas for you?
No, I have my Sperry's.
Sperry's will work. Waterproof camera.
Got it.
Check. All visitors must be accompanied by a guide. Full disclosure, this was my first time ever riding a motorcycle. If you want to learn very quickly, take a few rides here in the Dominican Republic. Just know that it's also one of the most dangerous places in the world to ride. Something we would learn very soon.
Gracias.
After the waterfalls, our appetite led us to the seafood restaurants in Mayamon. We would later learn that this is the most dangerous stretch of highway in the area, and it's no wonder why. Hold on. In case you didn't see what just happened, let's break down the game film for a second. As we hug the shoulder while dodging potholes, a huge-ass bus passes within a foot of our handlebars. Immediately after, there's a giant sinkhole in the road. The bus barely gets over to the right side of the road before causing a head-on collision with this semi-truck, which also is riding partly in the wrong lane. All because these cars decided to park only inches off this busy stretch of highway. Welcome to driving in the Dominican Republic. Overall, what's your impression of your experience today at the waterfall?
It was really fun. Even though I was blind as a bat because I couldn't wear my glasses and I didn't wear contacts. But that might have been better because I didn't see all the creatures around.
Right.
Yeah.
So Kelly has awful eyesight, so the sunglasses would have fallen off, and it would have. You would have lost
Oh yeah.
them. For sure. Did you feel like you were in danger at any moment?
Not really, no.
No?
On the motorcycle, yeah.
On the motorcycle
But
ride?
not the waterfall.
Not the waterfall.
Except when we slid down the rock, I thought like the current sucked me back in, and I swallowed a whole bunch of water.
There was one there where I couldn't get out of it,
Yeah.
and the dude held
He had
his
to pull
hand
me
out,
yeah.
and he had to pull me out because I went under, and I'm like, let me just wait and see as I pop back up.
I think that's why he positioned himself right there to pull you instead of that top.
Yeah.
He knew
The
that it would
second
pull
slide.
you know?
The second
slide like sucked you back like way further.
That's what it was. It was that second slide.
Yeah.
And that
When they
third
weren't
slide, you went down. I was filming you, and I didn't even see you go down. I just saw you like halfway, and you disappeared, and then you popped up right next to me.
It was like a washing machine.
Yeah.
That's why I was going so slow. I couldn't see anything.
Well, you look good doing it.
Like 4 days ago, it was raining like cats and dogs, and there's 27 waterfalls, but we couldn't do it. And so you think we did half?
No, a little less than
We
half.
did like a little less than half of what we could normally do because there's trees and debris and like boulders that fell and everything else. So some of this stuff we didn't quite get. It was good though.
Traveling with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone.
On the next episode of Sailing Satori, Kelly visits the emergency clinic in Lupron. We take a sweet motorbike trip to Punta Russia and enjoy a beer on the beach.
No.
And I attempt my first river crossing on the bike, while Kelly opted for a walk in the mud. Check it out on sailingsatori.life.